Hello, we're students from Crescenta Valley High School, and we're here at the 2021-2022 Cal-HOSA State Fair. One of the amazing workshops we went to, and one of them I found super interesting, was body interact.
It was very enriching. We were able to understand how to actually go and talk to patients and understand that even though we have a correct diagnosis, it is important for us to confirm with the patients and have appropriate treatments in mind.
It's a very nice experience. The program is very interactive and it allows you to use different tests to determine what condition the patient is suffering or what medication you might need to administer.
It's a very helpful experience having a virtual patient instead of a real one.
It helps people build confidence to be able to take on the challenge in a real.
And it's great helping our problem solving skills.
There's different levels of beginning, intermediate, and advanced, so you can continue to practice and go through multiple sessions and really analyze different scenarios.
You can also collaborate with your group to find out what the best diagnosis for them is.
Virtual patient was lifelike, and the entire thing was really entertaining and we learned a lot from it.
Well, I really like Body Interact because of how realistic it was.
We learned to be better healthcare professionals in the future and helped us expand that, not just the academic side of healthcare, but more of the social and emotional sides behind it as well.
We did 3 virtual simulations over again in the past 2 days because we found it so fun, and we would like to invite almost anyone to come try this because we think this is the most interactive workshop here at Cal-HOSA.